Hey guys, it's another Colombia vlog, and I literally just got to my last accommodation for my trip, and I arrived here and realized that it's a hotel. I didn't know it was a hotel. I thought it was an Airbnb, I booked it on Airbnb and I thought it was apartment suites. I didn't know it was like a hotel. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a mini tour, and my view out the window is of the church that's in the middle of Laurales. It seems to be in the perfect spot, very walkable, because everything that I'm seeing is like hotels and like food shops. And oh, by the way, the guy at the front allowed me to check in early. I don't even know what time it is, but check-in was supposed to be for 3 o'clock. He told me that a room is available right now, so I could check in. So I said, okay, thank you. And he spoke English, which was, I mean, not that I have a problem. I mean, I'm in a Spanish-speaking country, so I don't really care what language they speak, but it was nice. It's nice when there is an English person at the reception, you know, just in case you want to like ask intricate questions. But of course, you know, if it's not an English speaker, that's also fine. It's really not a big deal. Oh, the bathroom is big, guys. Oh, this is nice. I paid $249 for this place for 5 nighs. So $250 US is the amount that I paid. I'm gonna give you guys a tour now. By the way, it took me about 10-15 minutes to get here from my last Airbnb in El Tesoro, which is in El Poblado, but now I'm in Laurales. So 10-15 minutes drive is amazing. So at least I know that getting around from here is not gonna be a problem. I thought it was gonna be a little longer, but it really wasn't. But anyways, enough talking. Now for the tour. So this is what you see when you come out of the elevator. A bunch of art in the lobby. This is gorgeous. I didn't even realize that it went all the way down. It's really nice. But yeah, it literally looks like apartments. And I guess there are mini apartments, mini suites. I'm staying in 705. And then when you enter, this is what you see. It's a little luggage drop-off area right there. And then there is a little kitchen here with seating, really cute. Love the warm lights that they used in here. The kitchen, the view, and the cost and location is what sold me on choosing this Airbnb. As I told you guys in my last vlog, I literally booked this place this morning, like probably like 2 hours ago, and I'm now checked in. It's beautiful. They have the house rules listed right here. This is a little kitchen area. I love the fact that it's 4 burn-ons, because I think every single apartment that I've stayed in so far has been 2 burn-ons, so it's actually really nice. And then there's a little garbage area, hanging area for laundry, and a washing sink. They do have washer and dryer on the 3rd or 2nd floor, I think he said. Initially I wanted to have a place that had a wash and dry in the actual room, but that's okay. Have a fridge. Looks nice and clean. I don't know what this, oh, I think this is maybe the heater. Oh gosh, it's gorgeous. What does this say? Take care of the garden. That's cute. This is it, guys. Really pretty. Oh, this is so nice. I'm so happy I went with this place, because having this balcony here and being able to sit out here and people watch, because I'll be able to bring like my stool from out there to like sit out here and just chill. Like this is the best. gonna be spending my last couple days here in Morales, and I'm happy with my decision. It's less touristy. It still has a tourist section, obviously, because I mean there's a bunch of hotels on the street, but it's a lot more local than El Poblado, which I like. So I'm kind of excited to actually go find a local Colombian restaurant right now and get something to eat. The place is kind of tripping me out, like it's making me very anxious. I'm afraid of heights, by the way. So yeah, but anyways, let's go on Google Maps and see what's a good place to go and eat at, and then we're probably gonna walk the area and go get some food. The restaurant that I ate at not too long ago, it was alright. The soup that they gave you with the food was really good. But the food itself was just okay. Like, it wasn't like exceptional or anything. But I'm in the Exito right now and just picking up like some grocery stuff that I can eat whenever I'm like in the hotel. Mostly like maybe breakfasty type things. You guys know that I'm a big breakfast person, but I like eating breakfast things even if it means at night. So that's what we're doing, and I'm in the ramen aisle. Because I'm in Colombia, so I'm trying to snag as much coffee as I can. So I got this. It's a pretty popular brand here. They also have a cafe. I've never been to their cafe, but it's the Juan Valdez. So I picked it up. Also got this cheese bread. I shouldn't be eating cheese bread, but they have like a lot of interesting looking breads in the supermarkets every time that I go to one. So I decided I was gonna pick up one. Well, I looked for the smallest one because I didn't want to like buy big things and then can't finish them. Then I got salt, ramen, which is the same brand, the same Colombian brand that I had at the last Airbnb, and I liked it, so I got 2. I got eggs, and I only got 6. This is a tray of 6. I'll only be here for 5 days, guys. And then I got an instant coffee because there's no coffee machine in here. So I just got an instant one. Got a bottle of water. The next bag is the cold stuff. So I got 2 cold Mickeys. So that's, well, I don't know why I'm calling it Mickeys. I got 2 cold mics. I'm gonna put one in the fridge and drink one right now. I think I shared it in the last Airbnb vlog, but one of my friends that's been to Medellin a couple times recommended this and I liked it, so I got 2 cold ones, and then I got a case as well. By the way, it's alcoholic, if you can't tell. It's lime and vodka, this one. I saw that they have a strawberry one, but it's the only one that I tried. Ooh. And then I got potatoes. These are small potatoes, and these I can eat for breakfast. If I don't eat breakfast, more than likely my breakfast is gonna be like more lunch. But yeah, I got these because I can eat them you know, like cooked on the stove top. So yeah, I got chorizo sausage, which is very popular here. I didn't know that, but it's very popular here, and it's actually one of my favorite sausages, so I got that as well. And then I got butter because, well, this is margarine, and I got it because they don't have like small bottles of oil for cooking, so I got this instead because I'm really here for my face, you know. And then I'm gonna put, hold on. And then the last set of stuff that I got were the case that I told you about, which I'm gonna put down here. And I also got a case of the Hatsu tea. I tried this one that you guys would have seen. So I saw that they had a case and I got it because I was thinking I would drink them while I'm here. And also if I have any leftover, I can just bring them home because I really like it. But I'm interested to try the other two. They had packs with just like same flavors, but I wanted the mixed flavored one, so that's what I went for. So I'm gonna open it and put some of them in the fridge. Good morning, guys. Back again on camera with my crazy hair. I'm currently getting ready for my tour today. Didn't end up going to a tour last night because it was raining, so it's actually the best. I think it works out for the best that I changed my mind from going out because of the rain. But today I'm finally gonna be doing the city walking tour. It's currently like 8:54 and my tour is at 10. So I want to leave here by the latest 9-10 p.m. because I have to walk to the station, and the walk to the station is about, Google Maps say that it's about a 40-minute walk, I think. Basically like a 15-minute walk. So I want to walk to the station because I have a Metro card that I got when we went to Comuna 13, and I have like a lot of money still on it. I have like about 3 rides worth of money on it, so I want to use it up. So I'm gonna walk to the station and then take the Metro from the station in Lorales to the station where we're supposed to meet the tour guides, and they're meeting us at the station. So, and then the train ride I think takes like 4 minutes. It's not long, it's a very short like 5-minute train ride because I think it's just 2 stops. So yeah, and that only cost me I think 3,300 pesos with my Metro card. If I was to take an Uber, I think it would be probably about 20 pesos or 13 pesos. So if you can use the Metro, definitely use it. I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm trying to decide what to wear. I want to wear something pretty, something that I don't think today is gonna be like chilly weather-wise. I think it's pretty. It feels sunny out the way that it feels like outside is pretty warm today. So I want to wear something cute. I'm thinking about this skirt. I've had this skirt for years. I think I bought this skirt. I don't remember where I bought this skirt, but I've had it for years and I've never worn it. So I brought it with me saying that I need to wear it because I keep buying things and not wearing them. But should I wear it with this white top? This is like the white version to the black top that I have with this. Or I also have this skirt. I've worn it like one time only to take pictures. I don't think I've ever worn it out. No, I think I wore it in Toronto. But I didn't like the fact that the leg was so high. So for a walking tour, it's a bit much. Maybe if I could wear this to Pueblito Paisa, where the colored buildings are, that would probably be very pretty. And then I also have this romper, but I feel like this or that would be better for Pueblito Paisa since it's colored buildings and a lot brighter. This is a little bit more laid back. I have this black top on, but I have the black. You guys know I have the black version of this, but I have the white. I'm like, should I wear white with white sandals? I don't know. I want to wear something cute. I don't want to wear jeans. Hey y'all, so this is my outfit that I've decided on. Hold on. This is my outfit. Can you guys see? You guys can't see. So this is the outfit. And I'm gonna be bringing a bottle of water. I bought this in the supermarket yesterday, the Exito, which is literally around the corner. And I'm gonna walk with this and drink it on my way. I just had a little bit of coffee, but I can't finish it because it's like, it's 9:10 right now. It's 9:10 right now, so I need to start walking because it's gonna be a 40-minute walk. So I'm gonna get to the metro around 9:30. But I'm hoping that I see like an empanada stand so I can buy like maybe 2 empanadas and make that breakfast because I haven't really eaten. But speaking of that, I'm gonna take out the change for the empanadas so I don't have to go into my bag. Empanadas are usually about 2,500 for one. So I have a $5. This is not, I have 5,000. I keep saying 5,000 and 2,000. So, and I have some coins. So I'm gonna just put this where I can like grab it easily to buy, and then put the big money back in my bag. So let's hope we find empanadas, guys. I don't know if you guys heard that just now, but that was the phone ringing. They were asking if I wanted cleaning service, but I told them no. And they were asking something else. I don't know. I think they were asking if I wanted pots. I plan on asking them to get pots when I get back. The way that this works is that they provide pots on request for the kitchen for cooking purposes. I'm trying to decide if I should walk with my tripod. I think I should because it stabilizes my video a lot better than me holding my hand. But I don't have space for it and I don't want to make it obvious that I have a tripod. I think I should be fine. I'm gonna walk with my tripod. But I'm walking with water too. Can you believe I took the train the wrong way? Anyways, I just met up with my tour guide. Told them I was gonna be late and they waited on me, but there's actually like more people that they're waiting on, so yeah. Ended up leaving the water that I had at home because it was way too big, and I just bought this for 3,000 pesos.
The superhero of the candies. Maybe it's a little bit too early for you to get something sweet. You can just save it till later, right? Take the bag, big one.
a bit better because we didn't have much connection with them.
He was explaining basically the history of Medellin, you know, like where it's coming from, you know, having indigenous people called paisas to like where it is now.
They started attacking their enemies, rich people and owners of national corporations.
Okay guys, so we're in the mall right now that I would have shown you. I can't believe, like, seeing this place in person, it's gorgeous. But on the third floor they used it as a gallery, as you can see in the back. So the tour guide gave us like 20 minutes to look around, you know, to get a break so we can get something to eat. There's a cafe downstairs, so yeah.
Esas piernas, baile distinto muchacha, mueva rápido. activo esas piernas, pa' verles apachurrao, el va a hacerme una culebra del electoral. El mejor, el electoral, el mejor. La profe que le enseña.
So I just got back to the apartment. I'm so tired. I requested pots and pans for my room so that I can make something to eat. So we're gonna cook. Okay. I'm just now realizing that there's nothing to wash dishes or anything, and I didn't buy anything at the supermercado. Well, I think what I'm going to do, whenever I go back downstairs, I'm gonna ask the receptionist if when they clean the room, if they wash the dishes and stuff as well, or I should just get stuff at the supermarket. I didn't think about that. Also because like I'm so used to Airbnbs having those things, and I thought this place was like an apartment Airbnb and not like a hotel. So yeah. Anyways, let's get cooking. My day I tried to turn on the stove and realized it's a gas stove. Why am I think it was electric? You see, when you have that little click click click, some of them would just assume say electric, but it's gas. So I'm not gonna have to run to, there's a small shop that sell like produce and stuff, so I'm gonna run there and see if them have matches and anything there. My phone is basically dead, so I can't walk with it for translate. Let me see how much percent but like I need matches, and they had pear selling, so I might buy one, and some scallion. I love scallion, but yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna ask the receptionist downstairs if them have cash down there, can give me change, because I only have 50,000 pesos, and yeah, well, let's see. So people, the stove is electric. Come here, say you talk click click click, you know. Even though I know for some click click, you know, stove, but you must have something about the key. I did this gas on, off. This is it. I don't know. Let's try. I got it. Oh, the receptionist helped me. Okay, so it's, yeah, so yeah, we're outside. Anyways, Colombians are so nice. Like, everybody I've met so far has been nice, except for like this one server at this restaurant that me and Bukana went to. The girl had an attitude and we were like, man. But even though she had an attitude, like the other people that served us there were really nice and made up for her and her meanness. You know, I forgot my door was open. I was like, why outside sound extra loud? Outside. You know, the little Spanish that I know, thank God for it, because it's helped me a lot, even though a lot of the times I still have to be like translating sentences like on my phone or whatever. But the little vocabulary that I have, I'm so grateful for it, because, you know, it helps a lot. I still need cleaning stuff, but honestly, I'm not in the mood. So probably like later this evening I will go on the road right around the corner and get that stuff. I can't believe I'm not tired. I walked so much today on the tour. You guys would have seen the tour, so you saw how much I walked. But seeing that the tour would have made this vlog like pretty long. I might cut it here, well, not right here, but like for today, you know, might end the vlog today, you know, and then pick up tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I definitely recommend doing it just to get like an idea of just Medellin. You get a lot of context in terms of like socioeconomics, you know, cultural stuff, and just like the history of the city. So I really do recommend it. I did the tour with Real City Tours. I would have put the information and stuff on the screen, and of course you guys know that you can find the link to their website in the link in my bio. They do other tours as well. There are other tours I was interested in doing, like maybe their food tour, but maybe the next time I come, because I'm definitely not going to get to every single thing that I wanted to do. So I definitely feel like I'll be back. Honestly, I will come back next month. I like to soak in an area. Like just going somewhere for a couple of days and leaving and never going back doesn't do it for me. Like I want to soak it all in, you know. And it's been really nice here. Also, I feel like I like Lorales more than El Poblado, but for different reasons. I still like El Poblado, but I like the view that you get from there, especially like if you're on the hillside, like in those hillside apartments. I love the view, but you can also get similar views like that in different areas of Medellin, like Sabaneta, which is somewhere where I was thinking of actually getting an apartment. Is actually cheaper as well than El Poblado, but you can still get like a lot of luxury type apartments in that area as well. But it's definitely more suburbs and quiet, you know, which is nice. But Lorales is cute. Like it has that charm because it's a smaller town and it's not super touristy like El Poblado, but it still has touristic elements and still has like a lot of nightlife that you can do here, a lot of restaurants. Yeah, and it's very walkable. I think it's definitely a lot more walkable than El Poblado, and I feel a lot calmer here, more relaxed. I feel like El Poblado, sometimes it can give you a lot of anxiety because they claim that El Poblado is safer, but I feel safer in Lorales, mostly because there's a lot of like dodgy stuff that you can tell is happening, if that makes sense, like especially at night. I don't like El Poblado at night. I prefer it in the daytime. You can see like there's a lot of illegal activity happening, a lot of body selling, you know. I don't want YouTube flag me, but you can see that there's a lot of that happening. Women are lined up on the roadside like crazy in the night, you know. Like the tourism of that is booming, let's just say. But yeah, it's not my favorite time to be in El Poblado at night, but it's very busy, you know. So if you stay on like the main street, it's very busy and it's easy to like walk around and stuff because there's a lot of people. But at the same time, it's like it's a lot of people and there's just so much going on, you know. So I don't know. I remember when Bacana was here and we were walking around, there was like so much going on, but at the same time we didn't know where to go because it was just so overwhelming, so much people. I don't know, but in the daytime, I love El Poblado in the daytime. It's cute, love the coffee culture. It's a lot slower, you know, in the daytime. But yeah, that's enough babbling. I'm gonna go relax now while I wait on my food to be ready.